Sir, good afternoon, sir. I'm Bhaskar here.
Hi Bhaskar, my name is Kiran. I stay in Nagar itself.
Sir, you came to take a test drive of Brevo, Yelthar.
Yeah.
So, what is your feel and what is your take on the product, sir?
See, I have been riding bikes for almost close to 24 years now.
Okay.
24 years right now.
Yeah.
I mean, you name it, I've driven it, right? Be it a Honda Activa or be it a Domina, be it a Pulsar, anything. I'll tell you, this vehicle, what I drove right now, Elthar, it's like completely different from what I have driven. And in a positive sense, because one thing is, there's no noise. And the other thing is, it's so smooth, you don't even know that you're driving a vehicle. That's how good it was. I just took a test drive, me and my brother, we were completely blown away actually.
Sir, did you go doubles on the vehicle?
I didn't go for doubles because, see, it was a brand new bike, but from whatever I've heard, people taking test drives here, right?
Yeah.
There's no difference actually,
No.
in terms of.
Why I asked you this question was, how is the pickup and all those things I wanted to know.
Pickup was amazing. The
Amazing.
pickup was really amazing. In fact, I had to slow down.
Okay.
There are two modes of
Yes, sir.
driving there, I think so. How you in BMW got this nitro mode and all those
Yes.
different modes, right?
Drive mode and sports
Yeah,
mode.
Sports mode, you have the same.
So, you tried both the modes?
Yes. And the sport mode was like, it just took off.
Okay.
And it was
Fantastic.
completely mind-blowing actually.
Yeah.
And the best part is you don't even know that you're taking off.
Yes.
It's like this space thing, it takes off actually.
Sir, have you taken any other electric vehicle test drives?
I wanted Ather as one I have taken, but compared to, I shouldn't be comparing,
Yeah.
But to be honest, this was entirely different field than Ather actually.
Okay. So, drive is better than Ather, you mean to say?
Yes, very smooth.
Very smooth.
That's the best part about
Sir, in this vehicle, it's a primary drive, what we call it as. See, in Ather, you have a secondary drive, that is, which drives from the belt.
Right.
Motor, belt, and to the wheel.
Right.
Here, our motor comes in the hub only.
Yes, I know.
So that transmission loss and that vibrations are not there.
True. And it's like, it's like any other bike. It's like as if you're driving. It's so comfort. It's just so smooth. The main thing is it's so smooth.
Yeah.
Right. Especially women folks are going to love it actually. And for guys who like power, a little bit of power,
Yeah.
and in a this kind of bike, right? It really it'll satisfy both kind of audience actually is what I feel. And then definitely I am planning to I'm planning to buy one as well.
How is the fit and finish of the vehicle, sir?
Oh, beautiful. We all talk, when you talk about in this segment, in
Yeah.
terms of good looks,
Yeah.
we talk about Vespa, we talk about Aprilia, right?
Yeah.
Because they're very good looking bikes. But
Yes.
you also have to remember that their pricing is almost close to 1.5 lakh and more
Yes.
than that, right?
Yes, sir.
And of course, the fuel efficiency is not there.
Yeah.
Just pure looks. But this is like a complete package. We can check out the colors, right?
Yeah.
I was blown away by the colors, the design. It's so compact. It's not like plastic or anything. It makes
Yeah.
those sound, all those kind of things. Like not to degrade Honda Activa or all these Suzuki bikes, right? So this is like it's compact. It's like you feel like a proper bike. And the best part is it's not heavy. It's not very
Okay.
heavy.
So, what do you say for future customers of Yelthar Brevo vehicles?
So
Do you recommend them?
yeah, see, electric vehicles are the future. Everybody knows about that, right? And with fuel prices going to $100, right?
Yeah.
I think the calculation which was shared by me, right?
Yeah.
For 3 years, if I'm spending around 1.5 lakh for fuel, probably for 40,000 bucks, 30,000 bucks, I'm using the battery.
No, sir, I'm sorry. You are using only 5,000 rupees on this vehicle for 2 years.
For 2 years.
I'm sorry.
So I thought
To
30,000.
interrupt you. No.
Okay, I thought
It's only
30,000.
5,000 rupees, sir. Because 7 paisa it is on per kilometer.
Okay, no, but-
What is costing?
So,
And there's no maintenance on the vehicle. There's no service on this vehicle
yeah,
normally.
That's the best part, right? You don't have that servicing thing, headache. You don't have to be worried about the fuel, right? So who wouldn't want to try that? I think it's just that people want to have to come out of that mentality of having ridden Activa Dio for so many years, right? I'm sure this is going to be.
Sir, how is the feature of the battery which you are able to take and go?
That was the best part. It's like you're charging your phone to this magnetic chargers, right? You just plug it, remove it, and it's so easy. Anyway, even my 8-year-old kid, even he could do that. If I show him the dynamics, right?
Yeah.
Even he can unplug it, he will go charge it, then again fit it back. So that's
Sir,
how-
this feature why we did was, see, you are in apartments
Right.
where you'll not have a plug point.
Right.
So when you go up on third or fourth floor or 14th floors or any above floors,
Right.
you are carrying the battery in your lift and you charge it at home.
Absolutely.
So that is why this feature was
That's
inculcated
right,
in this
Because
vehicle.
not everybody will have their own individual houses and
Yeah.
having their own plug
Yeah.
points and all those things, right?
Yeah.
So I think that's a very good factor which the company has introduced. So it's really great. The other thing which I wanted to mention about is your security. There you cannot. Somebody asked me, right, that what if somebody steals the battery, right? Because
Yeah.
it's quite expensive.
Yeah.
30 grand or 35.
32,000.
32,000 bucks, right?
Yeah.
The mechanism, probably you should put a video also on that, right? There's no way that it's so protected that you can't even move the bike.
Yes.
That's how protected it is.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
So that's amazing feature. as
That
well.
goes
Probably
with
I can
your,
park this bike probably in the middle of the night. Probably if I have to park it somewhere and out of
Go
emergency
also.
situation more, I will be able.
That you are doing with your keys only, sir,
Yeah.
actually.
I think the cops
Remote keys.
I think the cops won't be able to pick it and tow it away. So that's the best part. Yeah.
Yes,
So that's
yes,
the
sir,
best part.
yes, sir, yes, sir. Sir, thank you for your feedback.
Yeah, absolutely.
We wish you to come and become our customers
Yeah,
as
definitely,
early as
definitely,
possible.
Definitely, probably just a month or so, right? I've already want to book this actually.
Yeah.
So not only me, a lot of my friends are interested as well.
Okay, sir.
So good luck to Helter and you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir.
Okay.
Thank you very much for the feedback. Thank you.
Yeah.